Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to send a blank message on Messenger on Android. Firstly, before I start with this explanational video, I need to mention that right now I'm working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. Get up into your browser, type for blank Unicode and then select the second selection, which is emptycharacter.com. Go for that section site. Then as you can see here we have options which are related to it. Scroll down and here you're gonna find out method 1, copy with a button. Just go copy to clipboard, and now what you need to do, simply, as you can find out, you need just to open up your setup section on your Messenger. Go for it, go for chat, for example this one, go for paste and go send. And now guys, as you can see, we have sent a blank message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon and have a nice day.